Hello, my name is John, and this video will look at query by example as well as parameter-based queries and how you can create them. So the queries I want to make today revolve around the pizza size. I want to be able to retrieve all this information based on what size the pizza is. So to create the first query by example, simply press on the Create tab and enter Query Design. This show table pretty much indicates what table you'll be using, so I'll just be using the item table. Once I click on the item table, I can click close. Now within this table I want to retrieve all these details. I want to retrieve the name. I'll click size next. So I want to retrieve the name, name, size, description, and cost. Now this is where the name query by example gets its name from. Here you simply enter in an example of what you want. So for example, I want all large pizzas, and if I press run, I will get all the pizzas that have large size within the database, as you can see. So I can save this quickly as large pizzas, large pizza, and other query. Now, to create a parameter-based query on the same sort of idea of retrieving pizza data according to the size, I can simply do this sort of the same thing. So I'll get to this point and I'll enter in the same fields I'll be using, but in the criteria, instead of entering whatever size I want, I can enter in this square parentheses, and then I can ask the question to the user who will ever be entering data. So what size is pizza is a good question, and it's a good idea to also add the possible selections that the user can make. And sorry about that bus. Anyway, so you can use small, mid, large. That's the possible selections, and then you end the parentheses. And now when you press run, instead of just retrieving the result straight away, it will ask you the question, what size is pizza? So let's say I want all the small pizza. I would enter small, press OK, and then the query will retrieve the information that I need. And that's pretty much how you make query-based parameter-based queries. So I'll quickly set this as pizza size query. And yeah, so if I actually close this both of these queries and enter that pizza size query, I can enter in a different size query, different size pizza, and I'll retrieve the information. So that's how you create parameter-based queries, and that's pretty much it. Thank you.